Hi guys, I'm here to show you a yummy, delicious recipe, what I call my Pulp pancake protein recipe. This is amazing. I've been really working different recipes when it comes to my leftover pulp when I juice, and I came up with this one and I can tell you it's on the tee. Now we're gonna get started and I hope you enjoy this video. So you're gonna get 2 cups of leftover pulp, typically the pulp that has some type of fruit like apple, pineapples, watermelon. You wanna make it a little bit sweet. You're gonna get 5 eggs. You're gonna get 1 cup of almond milk, 1 cup of flour, and a teaspoon of baking powder, coconut oil, vanilla extract, and you are ready to go. This is an amazing recipe because you're gonna get protein, you get fiber that's going to fill you up, and it is delicious. Then I'm gonna top it off with some blueberries, some almonds, and a little bit of honey on top. Voila! I hope you guys enjoy this delicious recipe. Actually gonna make so many more other recipes using the pulp from juice. Hey, so like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes and lifestyle tips.